A must-see custom home with an open floor plan and 9 ceilings throughout. Large living room boasts a gas fireplace, new carpeting, and door leading to a covered patio. Well-equipped kitchen has cherrywood cabinets, stainless steel appliances and a center island with power and built-in wine rack. Main floor master bedroom suite has new carpeting, dual walk-in closets and bath with separate garden tub, shower, and tall bathroom vanities. Home has James Hardie siding, Anderson windows and doors and beautiful wood trim throughout. There is cherrywood flooring in the mud room, kitchen, dining area, foyer, and half bath. Lower level is a 9-pour and end is finished, making it perfect for family activities and entertaining. Backyard has invisible fence, no collars included. An oversized, side-load garage has plenty of space for vehicles and other items. Furnace and hot water